Everybody give a round of applause for John and Cindy Cruz visiting us from all the way from Guam. Anyways, the Chamoru culture, a lot of people don't know that the Chamoru culture is the entire Marianas Islands, Guam, Luta, Tinian, and Saipan. And I myself discovered that even my roots go all the way up to the Northern Marianas Islands. If you're from the Northern Marianas Islands, say Viva Nocti Marianas. Come on, let's hear it. Viva Nocti Marianas. Now, my grandfather is from Saipan. His name is Pedro Taitano de Leon Guerrero Sablan Santos. If you're related to any of those, say Viva Chamoru. Now, during my research, I found out, and a lot of people may not know, that the Leon Guerrero, the De Leon Guerrero, and the Guerrero are actually all related. The only ones that we're not related to is the Tana Guerrero. So I had to tell my friend Paul that we're not related. You guys know Paul? Paul Tana Guerrero? Anyways, who here is from Arizona? Nobody's from Arizona? Yo, we got one person from Arizona. Do you live near Luke Air Force Base? Okay, but Luke Air Force Base is a favorite place of mine because they have a lake there. It's called Lake Luke. And I go there every time Auntie Flo visits our house. When Auntie Flo visits our house, I go to Lake Luke. So if you're ever in Arizona, make sure you stop by Lake Luke. It's a nice place to hang out. All right? Who here is from, actually, March is the month that celebrates all the islands in the Pacific. Who here is from any of the other islands? We're going to make fun of you too. Don't worry about it. Who here's from Chuk? Anybody from Chuk? Hey, Fro. Joyce, what do you call a Chukis guy that ran out of Viagra? Microsoft. What does the Liberation Princess from Chuk do at the Liberation Parade? She does the microwave. How about what time does a Chukis guy wash his car? When it's 2:30 from Uncle Bob Kaneni from Malesu. What do you call a Chamoru guy that cannot find his car in the parking lot? No, si Carlos. And what do you call a Chamoru guy that doesn't have a car? Si walk-in. Because he's just walking everywhere. All right. If you're white, raise your hand. Raise your hand if you're white. Did you know that when white people and Filipino people get married, their kids come out Mexican? You know how I know? Because their kids are jalapeno. Now, let me ask you this, for you Chamoru people that understand the family name system. What happens when a lady who's Familyan Taki marries a guy who's Familyan Manok? Is their kids Familyan Taki Manok? Because I know a family like that.
Still back there.
Anyways, I have to write down my jokes because I've been drinking already. Move it. Anyways, there's this Chamoru guy that went to the doctor because his arm was hurting. He said, "Doctor, I don't know what's wrong with my arm. Can you check it?" So the doctor lifted up his arm. And when he lifted his arm, the Fafa said to the doctor, "Let me borrow $20. So the doctor said, "Okay, I know what's wrong with your arm. Your arm is broke." Wah, wah, wah. Anyways, that could be anybody, because we're all broke over here. Speaking of my grandfather from Saipan, one time when I was at Escuela and Poly, Sunday school, CCD, for those who don't understand. I came home from Escuela and Poly and he accused me of skipping school. He said, "Boy, where did you go? You didn't go to Escuela and Poly." I said, "Yes, Pop, I went to Escuela and Poly." He said, "Okay, then tell me what's God's first name." I said, "Well, I think his name is Jesus." He said, No, that's his son." "What's his first name?" I said, "Zeus." He says, No. That's God's name, last name, but what's his first name?" I said, "I don't know. You got me. Tell me." He said, "Howard." I said, "Howard? His name is Howard?" He goes, "Because you're not listening. When they say the prayer, 'Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be his name.' If you listen and pay attention in Escuela and Poly, then you will know that his first name is Howard." All right? Thank you very much. And hey, don't forget that the Chamoru culture is very strong here in the heart of Texas. Because whether you're in Guam or whether you're in the United States of America, if your heart is Chamoru, then your heart is strong. Viva Chamoru! And let me just get a last minute shout out and kudos and viva to Mr. Eli Sarosa and his wife Zina. They are outstanding Guamanians. And thank you all again for supporting the Chamoru culture and the Baila Pacifica. You heard that, Akuba? Baila Pacifica! Dance troupe tonight. It's right there. You can read it. All right. Enjoy your food and don't forget, if you're allergic, it's going to make your stomach swollen.
Oh, yes.
Need those glass because it's not reserved and no way. But when I also got another sticker,
Okay.
picked up a parcel.
Okay. Yeah, yes, sir. No, no.
This is for half a beer. She said half a buck. Yeah, I won the whole beer.
Hello, Taza, the camera, nice. Timatuli. Ah, eat camera. Gagi din si Auntie Don Diaz. Haga na Tivira. Gagi din ekpa. Unga na hasawa. Wait till Shar gets here.
Yeah.
This weekend, because I got the exhibitor, but I got a car here. I haven't told you.
He's in a coma. They're gonna let nature take on more second. My mom coma.
16? Oh, time for her? Yeah.
Haji? Made a mess? Bite his nose. Bite his nose. Hey, what is that? How you are? Kayak gini tiada. Ini siapa men? Jadi dalal lain na jomok.
Masala like it.